craziest thing that's ever happened to me.
Exciting.
Michelle and Nathan Carr just had a baby, and so, you know, we were supposed to have a home team meeting tonight. So instead of having it, you know, at our normal location, we decided to get some, you know, our home team together, and the people came up to the hospital to see the new baby. And
she said, "Sir, you need to calm down and pull over, and I'm going to walk you through how to deliver this baby. We're going to have to deliver it on the side of the interstate." And I said, "I can't deliver the baby." I said, "I'm not doing that." And so I like sped up. Then I said, "I'm going to the hospital."
I was really happy that they came because we are pretty close.
We do stuff as a home team and outside the home team, so I would say that we're pretty good friends, all of us.
We want to pray for each other and just kind of support each other.
I said, "I'm going 120 miles an hour." I said, "Before an ambulance can get to me, I'm going to be at the hospital." I said, "I am not stopping."
We just all connected and all became friends.
You know, other churches you go to, like say a Sunday school, and you know, you don't have a lot of one-on-one time with people, you know.
Nathan and I were in Sunday school when we first got married with other couples that were, you know, but it was just never a personal thing. You know, it was just kind of come in and sit down and listen to the lesson, and we knew everybody's names, and that was it, you know.
In the home team, you get to, you know, interact with people and, you know, around your own age, and you know, dealing with some of the stuff that you deal with in real life.
When we pulled up, like, she jumps out of the car before I even put it in park. When I'm pulling up to the spot, and she runs in, so I get the kids unbuckled, and as I run through the door with the kids, they're like dead sprinting down the hall in the wheelchair, so we just chased after them.
Before we had the home team, we would just kind of go to church, you know, and then on Sunday, and then after that, you know, really wasn't much talk about, you know, anything to do with church or the Lord or you know, the Bible or anything. And so this home team has helped me, you know, my family, you know, grow more spiritually because we're having more interactive time with the Lord.
And the doctor didn't come. Like, the nurses were like, "Okay, we got to do this. The doctor's not going to make it." And they all just like hovered around her. And within 4 minutes of them taking her from the wheelchair to the bed, they snipped the umbilical cord.
It helped me spiritually because you can ask more questions and go more in depth with stuff, and it kind of, you know, and also our home team, we like to relate, you know, real life with the things that we're talking about, so that really helped me out a lot.
I've just never had like a closeness with a group of people like this before.